Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming headset type and updating firmware because modern issues are often software-related. First, check whether your headset uses Xbox Wireless 3, 5mm, or USB. Once confirmed, update the console and controller in Settings, Devices, and Connections. Next, power cycle the console and controller, remove batteries, or hold the sync button for 10 seconds, then reconnect the controller. Make sure the headset is charged or has fresh batteries before you proceed to pairing or wired connections. You now focus on establishing a clean connection step by step. If wireless, unpair the headset from the Xbox and controller, then press the controller and headset sync buttons to re-establish pairing. Make sure you see the audio device in Settings. If wired, test the headset on a phone or PC to rule out the headset cable, swap the 3, 5mm lead, or try a different controller port. If your headset uses a USB or chat adapter, attach it securely and test with another USB port or adapter to isolate faults. You finish by verifying audio settings and trying final resets to clear lingering issues. Go to Settings, General Volume and Audio Output to confirm chat/game balance and headset format. Make adjustments and test audio. If problems remain, factory reset or reflash the controller firmware, try a different controller, or test the headset on another Xbox. If none of these resolve it, use the headset on a phone or PC to prove hardware failure. Then contact the headset manufacturer for warranty or replacement. This step saves time and clarifies responsibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.